also with Joe. My name is Silas. I introduce the second speakers. And I met Joe like 1.5 weeks ago or something. I don't know. And he showed me Friday. I was really impressed. And we started working together on another idea. Because I have the feeling there's like a lot of hype around generative AI at the moment. We've been seeing a lot of stuff, GPT-3, like note-taking, question answering. And we've been seeing, I don't know if you guys know, like diffusion models, image generation is like a huge hype at the moment as well. But what doesn't really exist at the moment is generative AI for slides. So do you want to go through the landing page real quick?
Okay, yeah, sure. So I think the eventual concept here is we want to reach a point where we can build like essentially a code planner for a lot of workflows, right? So especially like consultants who are working with slides a lot, it would be great if we can, build insights, right? Be able to take a block of data, like a huge chunk of text, right, and just synthesize that and turn that into a complete slide deck, right? It would also be great if it could do research and help build suggestions on like action plans, right? And so with that, you need a lot of data, right? And we need to fine tune eventually based off of all that data. But the goal is to right now build like an editor that just makes the workflow like less painful, right? Because you can all imagine like you probably went through cases where you're trying to like build a slide deck, right? And maybe it's on a time crunch or not, but like fiddling with like the layouts and like trying to figure out like boilerplate just to make sure that you're conveying some story in your slides is a hassle, right? And it'd be great if we could use these huge advances to just kind of automate that. And so that's essentially what we're doing.
Yeah, that kind of the product is like, yeah, it can save somebody who's building slides like 30% of the time. There's like a lot of economic value, and there's a lot of people who have to like build slides for the job. Yeah, this is like a very basic demo. We started working on this like 1.5 weeks ago, but we have some. It's working already, so we can ask you like any question that will generate a complete slide deck. So for example, we could ask like, how do we solve world hunger? And press the magic button and wait a bit.
So what is it doing right now in the background?
It's magic.
Yeah.
So it generates a slide deck with images, bullet points, keywords highlighted, and a complete outline. And and see from like what we could get working just a week. I think there's a lot of potential. Like this is like end-to-end slide deck generation at the moment, but we imagine like an editing interface. We can like generate a slide at a time. We can for each slide see multiple alternatives and choose from them. We can pull in your external data, pull in your confidence, pull in your Notion, pull in your blog posts, and hopefully provide a lot of value to people. You have another question that I should ask.
It's time for one question again.
My question to you is a slide was saying.
Does anyone want to learn about like any particular thing that we could?
I just want to know why you hate consultants so much. This is incredible. I would love to see this trained on UIs as well, explore user interface design as well.
Yeah, that's something that we're exploring, like being able to use like the same like grounding tech to design web pages, right? Like experiment copy. Like I can imagine like thousands of like variations on a website, and like being able to like A/B test all of them. That's probably super cool.
Awesome. Yeah, we should keep doing a lot more demos to show you guys. Thank you so much for that.